San Miguel with first possession, and they have Santos, Espinas, Lassiter, De Ocampo, and Cabagnot as their five. So hindi lang walang Junmar ni si Wilkerson. Pinaupo na muna ni Coach Leo Austria. Katapat nila etong sina Charlo Ponferrada for the first time tonight. Nandiyan din si Chan at etong si Jaire Ibanez, and nagbabalik din si Paulie who went what 0 for 5 back in the first half.
But obviously you know what kind of a player he is, and you have to give him the confidence. You're not only thinking of one game, you're thinking of the conference itself. So, all Filipino dito ang San Miguel, they have no choice. Import has 4 fouls. Paulie's open. Wala pa rin yung range, no? You can see quite short ang tira. So yung lift ng kanyang tira, parang hindi pa niya makuha yung range.
Santos may tanga ng bola. Jaire ang assigned to try and put a body on Arwin. Yancy going the other way. Espinas na bitawan lang dun sa baseline.
Yeah, I think they will challenge the defense of Mo Charlo. Although he only has 1 personal foul, it would be a good idea to keep on going to Gabby Espinas, who is a natural post player, back to the basket type of player.
Ponferrada from the elbow ties the game at 46. Ang isang gusto ko doon sa stat line ng Mo Charlo back in the first half, 11 points, 5 rebounds, no turnovers, Doc. Para siya pa yung bagong salta dito. Aba, hindi pa niya nata-turnover yung bola. Cabagnot may tangan. Lost his dribble. Pupunta kay Santos. Arwin puts up a long one. Hit one earlier in the first half. Yancy.
Iba rin yung 6'9", no?
Oo. Inilayo lang kay Jaire. Tapik-tapik sa ibabaw, ano?
Gaganon lang. Tinatalon niya. Medyo konting elevation off the floor.
At para malaman natin ano mga nangyari at the half, makibalita tayo kay Ms. Riza.
Mag-go for Junmar Fajardo muna, hindi na po siya makakabalik sa laro ngayong gabi. But he still remains in the dugout. Ang advice, pupunta sila sa doktor right after the game. But habang nandito pa, manonood-nood lang muna daw. Masakit yung tuhod niya, hindi na kayang ilaro at medyo namamaga. But you know, it wasn't as bad as what his previous injury was. Kahit pa paano nakakausap at nakakangiti-ngiti pa si Junmar Fajardo. Nung huli ko siya pinuntahan. Mag-go.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Riza. So, all prayers ng lahat ng Pilipinas basketball fans go out to Junmar Fajardo. Cabagnot na ibalik yung kalamangan kanina sa San Miguel Beermen. This time around, there is Espinas with the rebound. Gabby lalabas ulit kay Alex. Charlo right on, and pupunta sila doon sa poste. At sa ilalim, Espinas, wala nang magagawa si Paulie Dong.
Yun ang game niya. He's very good underneath the basket. He's good if you give him the ball deep because he knows how to back up people.
May recognition, na nakita nila si Paulie yung bantay. Talagang
bigay ka agad.
Hinahanap talaga nila as Chan, who went off for 8 points in the first half, is fouled sa pagkakataon na yan.
He was the first guy to get them back on track here.
Ito ang ating quality play na hatid sa atin ng Mariwasa Tiles, celebrating 50 years of uncompromising quality.
Remember in the first conference, nung na-injure si Fabio, I think he told people he felt a snap. Diba? Meron nag-snap eh. Kaya nga parang takot, alam niya may problema na talaga siya.
At sa puntong ito, babalitaan ulit tayo ni Ms. Riza.
Magmumula naman sa panig ng Rainer Shine. They want to start better here at the third at bilisan ng konti yung flow. Di daw katulad ng first 2 quarters. Ang napansin din syempre ni Coach Yang Yao, yung Wilkerson ng SMB, may 4 na fouls na. So expect them to be attacking more in the basket when he comes into the ball game.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Riza. As Jaire Ibanez picks up his second personal foul, laban 3 minuto lumilipas sa ating third quarter.
Well, he has a tough assignment because he's there to shut down Marcio Lassiter. Obviously, saan pa puputol San Miguel, di ba?
Santos, mula sa kanto. Ikalawang tres na yan para dito. Kay Spider-Man, hatid pa rin sa atin ng Oppo F1 Selfie Expert. Lee, dadaan sa pick ni Charlo. Kanina, nakadalawang tres. This time around, ayaw bigyan ng espasyo ni Gabby. Charlo to the cup. Napagapang papasok.
Nice drive to the basket and good use of the glass in that play. Just a 3-point lead being enjoyed here by the Beermen. Rainer Shine keeping in touch with them.
Cabagnot ulit. Gustong testingin yung laterals ni Paulie. Mag-show hard si Ponferrada. Yancy for 3. Couldn't make him pay. Chan para sa board. Lee on the run. He's got Chan on the wing. Stop and pop 3. Paulie! Hatid pa rin sa atin ng Oppo F1 Selfie Expert.
Tabla na tayo, you know. Medyo magaling ang pinapakita ni Paulie na hindi nawawala yung kumpiyansa niya sa sarili niya.
No conscience shot, ano? 0 for 6. Who cares? Titira ng pass break 3 yan. Yancy backing up against Ponferrada. The left jump hook, no go. Charlo board. Eto na naman si Lee. Cabagnot closing out, hindi pala. Swerte ng San Miguel doon, hindi na ipasok ni Leo. Would have been the first taste of the lead for Rain or Shine tonight.
That's an attacking point for them because if they do not help out, I think Gabby Espinas has an advantage on Charlo with Charlo.
Inulit-ulit pa ni Gabby. Ayun, nakuha sa pangatlo. Ay, hindi pala natin napakita. Habang nag-usap-usap sila, nag-meeting si Gabby Espinas, paulit-ulit ginawa yung jump hook niya.
We also see that with small shooters, di ba? Yung mga pag nagmintis, pag may foul narinig yun, tira pa rin sila ng tira para makuha lang nila range.
As we welcome in our Ulalam fans of the game, Ulalam instant ulam, ang instant ulam para sa game na di mo maiwan. Ngayon meron ng breakfast tapa and tocino, di lang basta ulam, instant ulam. Espinas gives the Beerman another 2-point lead, 55-53. Chan metangan ng bola. Tinawid kontra dito kay Charlo. Chan to Charlo. Long one on the way.
Nakakatatlong 3-point shot na yan, no?
And this is now the first taste of the lead para sa Rain or Shine. Matapos nga silang matambakan ng hanggang 19 puntos. Lassiter babawi. Inabot ng foul ni Jaire. That's going to be 3 shots para dito kay Marcio. Take another look at that booming triple from earlier. Mula kay Mo Charlo.
Too much space being given by Gabby Espinas. That was set up by the drive he did against Gabby Espinas earlier in this quarter.
Lassiter bounces on that first free throw.
Well, they put in lots and took out their big man, so they're going small. No? Right now, actually, yung big man mo there is Gabby and Arvin Santos, who are pretty, they play big. But obviously, may konting disadvantage siya pag yung ganong kaliit na sa poste.
Sa third conference, asahan natin si Arizona. Masurap once again for SMB.
As long as there are no injuries, obviously, it's a very good type of player. Offensa and depensa. Malakas kumuha ng bola.
Ibanez going to the spin. Lost it on the way up, though. Cabagnot pushes it over to Lassiter. Marcio trying to shift to the left side. Marcio ulit. Lalabas muna kay Espinas yun. Gabby backing up on Ponferrada. That baseline's open for the spin, but Gabby goes to the middle. Yun yung pinapractice yung jump hook, bitin pa rin.
But this time he had a big man guarding him. And a guy who knows how to guard the post. Hindi na yung important kumuha kay Gabby.
Chan gets the back pass from Ponferrada. Pinaalis si Jaire. They want Ponferrada at the post. Hindi pala, pipink and roll sila ni Jeffrey Allen. Jeff na ipit ng dalawa. 4 na segundo sa shot clock. Ponferrada buries the three.
Wala ka na magagawa doon. You play this good defense as you can, and that is the guy you want them shooting a 3-point shot. But he made it, so balik na naman ang laman dito sa Rain or Shine.
First 3-point attempt of the tournament para kay Jewel. Na ipasok naman yan. We come up on the halfway mark ng ating third quarter. Cabagnot nagmintis. Charlo to Lee on the run. Paul up, and butata.
Arvin Santos with that umbrella-like defense, similar to what Philip Cesar always showed us before.
Napayungan.
If it is too close, okay, naka-hedge pa rin tayo, slide show. Naka-slide tayo, we have to stop your man. Then this guy, okay, if it is double, so check, stay in 2 versus 1. If it is single, so check, and you have to recover right away. Okay? And let's run all the way, yung ano natin. Pagka po-posting tayo, pwede tayo mag-thumb down or nose or chest para meron tayong defense. Okay?
Saan si Junmar Pardo? Nakapag-bihis na, no? Dahil inaalalayan nga niya, ganyang kanang tuhod. Palita, diretso sa ospital pagkatapos ng larong ito.
Papa MRI yan.
Pero nga, Great news dito, Doc. Hindi naman great news, pero ang pampalubag loob sa ating lahat na Philippine basketball fans. It's the other knee, linawin natin, Doc.
Hindi yun. Nung nakaraan ang injury niya, left knee, ito right knee.
So yun po, malinaw yung kabilang tuhod naman ni Junmar. Ang nasaktan sa gabing ito, pero because of precautionary measures, di na muna siya ibabalik dito ng SMB. 59-58, it is rain or shine by 1. Pero tinapon din nila in possession. Ito na San Miguel Firme. Kabagnot may tangan ng bola. Wilkerson na ibalik na ni Coach Leo. Gotta remember that Imports playing with 4 personal fouls. Santos mula sa labas. Di makakuha yung kanyang pangatlo. Dire-diretso kay Marcio. Bam!
Yun ang mabigat sa lakas ng Mintis. Siyempre, 3-point shot yun. Ang lakas ng talbog ng bola, diretso sa isang shooter.
Basic law of P6 yan, inertia. Long shot.
Long rebound.
Charlo down the middle. All kinds of contact. Pupunta siya sa ating free throw line for 2 shots.
They're showing us a little bit of everything. May 3-point shot, may saksak sa basket. Ito, natapat talaga yung talbog ng bola. Libreng-libre. Wala ka magagawa doon. Sabi ni Chef, late na ako makarecover.
Mo Charlo so far 1 of 2 from this free throw line para sa Rain or Shine tonight. Pinasok niya yung una dun sa dalawa. 17 points in total na.
Nakita mo naman magandang bitaw. Good form. Good mechanics.
Two for 2. Sa pagkakataon na yan, tabla na ang ating labanan.
5 minutes and 8 seconds left dito sa ating third quarter.
Ika-4 na deadlock na to ng ating laro. Kanina, kala natin, aantukin na tayo sa tambakan. Ngayon, natiktika na ang ating labanan. Santos looking to drive closer. Feeds. Lutz. Baseline jumper is good.
He likes those shots at the short corners.
Diyan, hinahanap si Ibanez. Babalik kay Charlo. Lee di discarte. Hit a 3. Kanina. Charlo swings to Jaire. Matalas yung 3-point attempt na yun. Nakakataon na San Miguel. Palawigin na naman ang kanilang kalamangan. Lutz off the dribble. Pupunta kay Santos. Wilkerson battling Jaire. Follow nga dito kay Ibanez.
I think Jaire fouled him first before Wilkerson rubbed him out of the way. Now, kung hindi ginawagan yung kay Jaire, patatawagan ng 5th foul doon. You can see he's holding him down, which you're not allowed because inaantay niya yung high-low pass. No?
Meron ng foul bago pa bumagsak. Wilkerson had to adjust because of the defense of Charlo. No problem para kay Tyler.
Hang time, left hand ang tinira niya.
4 ang abante ngayon ng SMB. Rain or Shine looking to move up to 3 and 3. Jeff Chan finishes with a finger roll. San Miguel naman is looking to keep in step with Alaska. Sa ngayon, nasa 3 and 1 ang San Miguel. Ang Alaska nasa ibabaw at 4 and 1.
Yes.
Lambo natin, top 8 lang ang papasok into the next round, bottom 4. Pahinga na, bakasyon na. As Wilkerson hits once again.
Papahinga yan dahil sa purpose. Umiinit yan pagbalik.
Ganyan-ganyan yung nangyari nung nakaraan, no? Of course, we're talking about that PBA Sabado Nights game in Legazpi City. Charlo, pang-apat na yan!
Mukhang maganda talaga yung bitaw niya yun. Kitang-kita mo.
21 big points na para dito kay Charlo. Si Wilkerson nasa 25. Kabagnot will miss. Merong foul. Hindi ko narinig yung pito eh. Joel Ponferrada napituan ng foul. Sinasabi niya, hinatak daw siya. Ano ba nangyari?
Landing spot yata yun. Yung tawag sa kanya doon. Landing spot foul. Dalawang free throw. May possession pa yun.
But it's not a flagrant dahil hindi pinapaupo ito si Ponferrada.
No.
Ito. So, 3 attempts.
Ngayon,
Okay. Wala lang pumila nung unang dalawa. Pero pwede na silang pumila nun.
doon pa siya nagmintis.
Kaya nalito ko eh. Teka lang, anong nangyayari? 3 attempts naman pala talaga. 69-66, San Miguel by 3. Charlo again.
Sunod-sunod na yung kanya 3-point shot dito.
And he is within 1 point of the total of Tyler Wilkerson. Matagal nga natin ka sa 21 kanina si Wilkerson before adding the last 4. Lassiter nakapawi doon. Gaya-gaya magkabilag. Ganito rin yung second quarter, Doc. Medyo bumagal ang opensa. Nung may nakashoot na isang tres, nagsunod-sunod din sila. No count on this basket, says the referee.
Well, the foul was given up early. Medyo ilang steps pa si Jeff Chan going to the basket.
Hirap makarinig na ng pito dahil sa ingay ng mga PBA fans ngayon sa loob ng Big Dome. As we head into this timeout, 2:33 natitira sa ating third frame.
Hey, listen! You wanna keep running the down fist so that Mo gets the ball, okay? And then we have the screen for him by the big man. This is to force the switch. Okay, let him play. You attack him, he's got 4. If not, you just go ball screen on the side. Okay? Okay lang tayo rito. Turn the corner if you can. Okay?
On the side, bro.
Jewel, I did. Bo, gumol ka na. Okay, para mawala ka na dyan. Okay? So, do a good ball screen so that you can force the switch. Okay? Now, if he's guarding you, go attack him. Or if not, just run aside, pick and roll. Okay? Let's go.
They're looking forward to the rest of the tournament as a complete unit.
And he's physically fit. That's the most
Yun ang
important thing.
Kagagaling lang daw Uruguay na ito, no?
Yeah, so, he's been continuously playing. That foul by Arvin Santos will now be the 15th foul called against the Beermen, putting them also in the penalty situation.
Yun ang isa sa pinakamalaking problema doon sa Antoine Wright, no, Doc? Kahit na NBA caliber import yun, medyo matagal na yata na bakante.
Correct. Ayun, medyo na-shoot.
Belga with the board. Hindi niya malinis yun. Charlo, from out of nowhere, snatching it away from Ross.
Whatever happened there for Belga, he was able to keep the ball alive for his import to come in. Tumatakbo na si Wilkerson, so hindi siya nag-box out sa taong binantayan niya. Charlo naman, pasok ka agad. Baka kala ni Wilkerson, nandun pa si Fardo para mag-rebound. Ito sa iyo.
Manood, maglaro at manalo. 5 panalo time na. Tumutok lang sa TV5 para makaipon ng 5 panalo points para makapag-uwi ng iba't ibang items. Dahil sa pagtutok sa 5, sigurado panalo. Etong si Mo Charlo, minti sa pangalawa. Pareho silang may 25 puntos ngayon ni Tyler Wilkerson.
Medyo humabol na rin siya sa scoring dito sa third quarter.
Lutz to Santos, who puts it on the floor. Back to Lutz. Travel ba? Travel na. Panlima na yan, panganin. Panlima yata sa SMB, ano? Two-minute warning na ng ating ikatlong yugto. Chu, who had a splendid first half for himself, is back on the floor.
He deserves to be back in the game. You want to keep him too cold, but the import really has atake ng atake siya doon kay Wilkerson, no? And surprisingly, si Wilkerson ang pinababantay sa kanya.
Ross on the attack. Belga off the switch. Pupunta kay Wilkerson. Sobra interest na yun, pero merong loose ball foul on the rebound.
Kay Paul Lee, tumulak kay Santos. Pumasok sa offensive rebound si Santos, sabay tulak si Paul.
At dahil nga penalty na, magkabilang kupunan. 2 shots to para kay Santos. Ang paborito ninyong PBA, hindi lang mapapanood, mapapakinggan na rin. Catch up with your favorite PBA games sa Radyo 5 92.3 News FM everywhere. Chiqui Reyes at ang kauna-unang idol ko sa larangan ng basketball, Boy Beats Victoria with the call of tonight's action.
Very good point guard. You could convert him to the 2 guard because he was a great shooter from the outside too.
Naka-short punch pa lang ako sa San Beda. Pinanonood ko na si Idol Boy. Santos gives it right back to Chris Chu. Wilkerson a bit frustrated, still in the backcourt. Chu to Ahan Misi for the 3.
It's a terrible pass by Arvin Santos. Instead of getting 2, they come back with a 3. That's a 5-point swing. That was an easy layup. Kung dumating lang yung bola kay Wilkerson.
Tapla na naman tayo with less than a minute remaining in the third. Wilkerson's jump hook, di uubra. Tatakbo na naman ang Ross. Jericho. Pupunta kay Chu do sa kanto. Cruz kontra Ross. Babalik kay Chu. Lutz right on him. Belga will offer the pick. Chris will move. Fly by 3. Doesn't work. Charlo from the outside gets it to Bo. The one-hander is good.
Now, Rainer Chen is beginning to dominate that offensive rebounding.
Dito na nga nami-miss ng tuluyan ng SMB si Junmar Fajardo. For the benefit of the late tuners, back in the first half, si Junmar had to be helped off the floor dahil nasaktan ang kanyang kanang tuhod.
And he's out. Out for this ball game.
Nang matapakan niya ang paa ng kanilang sariling import. Arwin lights it up once again, though.
Bira yun. And he, three-point shot. Kaya nag-apologize si Belga. Ito masama. Dahil yung sa turnover ngayon, nagkaroon pa ng oportunidad ngayon ng Beerman to get the last shot of this quarter.
Etong si Arvin Santos, maganda pagkakalinis ng mga bariles. Before tonight, 28% shooting lang siya from the 3-point line. Pero he has one of those nights again. Nando doon yung range. Wilkerson, nagmintis nga lang. Pagkakataon ng Ross to put in the last save. And a foul is given up by SMB. Penalty na magkabila. Pagkakataon ng Ross, sungkitan ng kalamangan bago matapos ang ating third.
There's still a lot of time. Actually, 3.2 seconds eh. Meron pang, pwede pang follow up kung nagmintis. Pwede pang tumira yung kalaban. Kung parehong na-shoot.
On Misi. Shot 2 for 2 from that line so far tonight. Misses on the first.
Pinahinga na muna si Mo Charlo. 3.2 seconds. Pumasok si JR Quinahan.
On Misi, bounces home that second. Tabla ang ating labanan. Pagkakataon ng SMB, bawiin ang kalamangan. Ross from Jimmy Country. Diretso-diretso. Nabitin lang ng bahagya. So at the end of the first 36 minutes of action, ang Rainer Shine po at San Miguel Beer tabla ang naging labanan 76-76. Pati mga import tabla sa scoring, lamang ng lang isa sa rebound si Mo Charlo. Kita may 3-point shooting, ano? Grabe yung Charlo, 5 of 7 na. Yung Wilkerson, 2 of 7 pa lang. So 12 more minutes of this ball game coming up live on TV5. Walang bibitiw, makaulit ba ang SMB o makabawi na ang Rainer Shine?